Well, how about this? The distance between you and the virtual world about to get even smaller. I've got the details in yourdaily.com. You know that bit in the Avengers where Tony Stark spreads his fingers apart in midair and the stuff on the screen in front of him instantly appears on displays throughout the room? Well, what if I told you that kind of gesture control is becoming a reality? Get this, Leap Motion has created a 3D motion control device that lets users control their computers by gesturing with their hands. The technology is reminiscent of that Microsoft's Xbox Kinect device, only with the Leap, your hands and fingers are the controllers. This is what the device looks like. Yeah, it's about the size of a pack of gum and half as thick. You simply plug it into any USB port on your computer. Then once you've installed the Leap software, it turns the 8 cubic feet of air in front of it into the 3D interaction space. Basically, it'll track any and all motion within that space, letting you use your hands to do whatever you could do with a mouse. For example, in this game of Fruit Ninja, the player just swipes their index finger through the air to slice, dice, and obliterate those watermelons, pineapples, and oranges. And according to the designers, the Leap is accurate enough to track your movements to 1/100th of a millimeter. That's really small. We're talking 4 times the width of the human hair. The company started taking orders for the device today, but orders won't ship until later this year. The total cost, including shipping, $76. Pretty cool.